Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KMD. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that KMD has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 50 cents, and after that, it again tried to break out this long-term resistance of 50 cents here as well. But we had a long spike to this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to $1. And after the rejection, the price then dropped down again. And right now it is moving at this support of 40 cents, by the way. And the next resistance is here again at 50 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that KMD has broken out. And after the breakout, the price line is retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support, and at the same time you can see that it is also testing this red line as a support. That is an exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. That is again breaking as a very nice support, and previously it was breaking as a very long-term resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for KMD that I shared, by the way, almost 3 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that KMD formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line nicely moved up and hit the sell target zone here. And after that, it moved down, and then we had a bigger pump. And before that, we caught almost 13% pump. And that move I shared in the previous month of April, on 7th of April 2023. And at that time, it was completing the final leg of a cipher pattern, a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and completed the leg, entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 13% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of KMD. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of Feb 2021, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very nice rally. By the way, you can see that it has turned parabolic bullish, and from this low to the current high, KMD has rallied almost 398%, almost 400%, but once again got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to $1. And previously, this resistance zone had been working as a support zone here, and here as a resistance zone, support zone, resistance. And now after the breakdown, you can see, by the way, here it has been also working as a support zone and resistance zone. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance zone. And once again, the price line is rejected by this resistance zone. And therefore, now we need to break out this resistance zone in order to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, during this rally of almost 400%, the price line has also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, that is now working as support. And it has also broken out this EMA 21, this red line that was a very long-term resistance, and now it is also breaking as a very nice support for the past several weeks. And now after testing these supports, the support of 40 cents and this support of EMA 21 and this Ichimoku bearish cloud support as well, there is a probability that it may try to break out the next resistance of 50 cents, and then we will have the next resistance of 65 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here, and again it is working as a resistance. And after that, we will need to break out this resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to $1. By the way, the final target for this very big breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.